A line chart is a graphical representation used to display data points connected by straight lines, showing trends over time or categories for visualizing changes, patterns, or comparisons across continuous data. We will need a date type column to show trends or patterns. Here, I have created a separate date table using Calendar Auto and linked to my dataset using one-to-many relationship. As we need to show year-on-year sales, I have separated year from date using year formula. Once our dataset is ready, let's create and format our line chart. Select Line Chart from Visuals pane. Drag and drop year from date table to X-axis and sales on to Y-axis. We can observe the pattern formed here for year-on-year sales. Let's add profit to secondary Y-axis. Now we can see both year-on-year sales versus profit. To create some variation, let's add category label to Legends. Now we can see year-on-year sales for furniture, office supplies, and technology. Instead of sales, you can replace it by profit or quantity sold or any numeric value you want. Let's head over to Format Your Visual tab to format our line chart. I'm showing just a glimpse of formatting, but you can format as per your needs.